Ever feel like cooking could be faster, smarter, and more fun? You're about to be surprised. Today, we're exploring the top 20 unique kitchen gadgets on Amazon that bring innovation straight to your countertop. From futuristic tools to clever gadgets you can upgrade and customize, these picks are just eye-catching. They're designed to transform everyday cooking. Stick around till the end to discover smart kitchen upgrades you'll actually want to use. Number 1. Mafuroco Overdoor Pantry. Rack transform unused door space into a smart, organized pantry instantly. This overdoor rack holds spices, snacks, and essentials without any drilling. Strong metal shelves keep everything secure, perfect for apartments, rentals, or busy kitchens. No mess, no hassle, and instant storage freedom. Don't wait, limited stock makes this one of the hottest kitchen upgrades today. Click the link below to secure yours before it sells out and experience. Number 2. Ordura Pot and Damp Pan Organizer and the chaos of stacked cookware with this smart pot and pan organizer. Adjustable dividers keep your lids, skillets, and pots neatly separated, saving precious cabinet space. Heavy-duty construction ensures durability, while a sleek design fits any kitchen aesthetic. Perfect for small spaces or crowded cabinets, it simplifies meal prep and cleanup. Supplies are limited, and this tool is flying off shelves. Click the link now to grab yours and enjoy instantly accessible cookware. Number 3. Vitomart Clear Pantry Drawers. Bring ultimate visibility and organization to your pantry with these clear pull-out drawers. Easily store snacks, canned goods, or utensils while keeping everything in plain sight. Smooth sliding design allows effortless access, while sturdy plastic construction ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for small kitchens or tight spaces, it maximizes storage efficiently. Don't wait, these handy pantry solutions won't last long. Click the link below to upgrade your kitchen storage today and enjoy effortless organization. Number 4. CCRUI Door Sensor Chime. Never miss a visitor or delivery again with this innovative door sensor chime. Easily mount on any door, alerting you with a loud, customizable chime whenever it opens. Perfect for busy households or small businesses, it increases security and convenience. Simple to install and battery efficient, it's ready to go in minutes. Supplies are limited and demand is high. Click the link now to secure yours and add smart functionality to your kitchen or home today. Number 5. Evanshill Fingerprint Doorknob. Upgrade home security with this fingerprint-activated doorknob. Quick, keyless entry makes access fast and convenient while keeping your home safe. Easy installation fits standard doors, and multiple user profiles allow your family to enter effortlessly. Sleek, durable design complements modern interiors, adding style to safety. With high demand and limited stock, this gadget won't last long. Click the link below to enhance security and convenience in your home today. Number 6. Kitty Smoke and Amp. CO Alarm. Protect your home and loved ones with this dual-function smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Reliable, loud alerts detect hazards instantly, keeping everyone safe. Easy to install and battery efficient. It's perfect for kitchens, apartments, or large homes. Sleek design blends seamlessly with any decor while delivering peace of mind. Limited quantities are available, so don't wait. Click the link below to secure this essential safety gadget before it's gone. Number 7. Weten Personal Safety Alarm. Stay safe in emergencies with this compact, powerful personal alarm. Instantly emits a loud alert to deter threats or call for help. Lightweight and portable, it fits in a pocket, bag, or kitchen drawer. Ideal for parents, students, or anyone on the go, it adds an extra layer of security. High demand and limited stock mean you should act fast. Click the link below and bring safety within reach instantly. Number 8. Yolink Smart Siren Alarm. Turn your kitchen or home into a smart secured space with this Wi-Fi-enabled siren alarm. Alerts instantly to doors, windows, or motion sensors, providing peace of mind. Easy setup and mobile notifications keep you informed anywhere, anytime. Sleek design blends with modern homes while maximizing safety. Limited time stock means it won't last. Click the link now to enhance your home security and enjoy effortless monitoring today. Number 9. Bilconch Biometric Gun Safe. Secure valuables instantly with this compact biometric gun safe. Fingerprint access provides ultra-fast entry while keeping items protected. Durable construction ensures safety against theft, while the small size fits discreetly in a cabinet or drawer. Perfect for small apartments or kitchens needing secure storage. Limited stock makes it a hot item. Click the link below to grab yours now and keep your valuables safe and accessible at all times. Number 10. Ace Mining Portable Door Lock. Enhance security and privacy in seconds with this portable door lock. Installs quickly without tools, perfect for apartments, hotels, or shared spaces. Strong metal design ensures durability while keeping doors secure. Lightweight and compact, it travels easily for on-the-go protection. High demand means these won't last. Click the link below to secure your peace of mind and enjoy hassle-free safety instantly. Number 11. Amazon Basics Kitchen Scale. Take the gut of cooking with this precise digital kitchen scale. Perfect for measuring ingredients, portioning meals, or tracking macros. Sleek, compact design fits any kitchen counter, while easy-to-read display ensures accurate results every time. Durable construction and simple operation make it a must-have for home chefs or bakers. Limited stock means it's flying off shelves. Click the link below to grab yours today and enjoy perfectly measured meals effortlessly. Number 12. Zule Garlic Press. Effortlessly crush garlic with this ergonomic stainless steel garlic press. Saves time, reduces mess, and ensures maximum flavor for your recipes. Easy to clean design fits comfortably in your hand and works with cloves of any size. Durable, sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting use in busy kitchen. With high demand and limited availability, don't wait, click the link below to upgrade your cooking experience and make garlic prep quick and fun today. Number 13. Mr. Furt Peanuts Camping Bowl. Perfect for meals on the go. This durable camping bowl is lightweight yet sturdy. Ideal for outdoor adventures, picnics, or family meals. It's easy to clean and store. Made from BPA-free materials, it's safe for all ages. Compact design saves space while providing versatility in every meal setting. Stocks are limited. Click the link now to get yours and enjoy hassle-free, portable dining wherever life takes you. Number 14. Hamilton Beach Veggie Spiralizer. Create healthy, fun meals with this easy-to-use vegetable spiralizer. Turn zucchini, carrots, and more into noodles instantly. Perfect for low-carb recipes, family meals, or creative cooking projects. Durable, compact, and simple to operate, it saves time while making meal prep enjoyable. Limited quantities are available. Click the link below to grab yours today and elevate your kitchen creativity effortlessly. Number 15. FL Lirasol Oil Sprayer. Cook smarter with this reusable oil sprayer. Evenly coat pans, salads, or baking dishes with a fine, controlled mist. Eco-friendly and refillable, it reduces waste while giving you healthier cooking options. Compact, durable, and easy to clean. It's perfect for any kitchen. High demand and limited stock mean you should act fast. Click the link now to secure yours and transform your cooking routine instantly. Number 16. Modern Innovations Knife Bar. Keep knives organized and safe with the sleek magnetic knife bar. Strong magnets hold knives securely while displaying them beautifully. Perfect for small kitchens, rentals, or busy cooking spaces. It maximizes countertop space and reduces clutter. Easy installation and durable construction make it a practical, stylish addition to any kitchen. Limited availability means it won't last. Click the link below to elevate your kitchen organization today. Number 17. Dash Egg Cooker. Cook perfect eggs every time with this versatile egg cooker. Boil, poach, or make omelets with precision and ease. Compact, user-friendly design saves counter space and simplifies breakfast prep. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it perfect for small kitchens or busy mornings. Stocks are limited. Click the link below to secure yours today and enjoy effortless, perfectly cooked eggs every time. Number 18. TP-Link Tapo Video Doorbell. Enhance home security with this smart video doorbell. See visitors in real time, receive alerts, and communicate instantly from your phone. Easy installation fits most door frames, adding convenience and peace of mind. Sleek design complements modern homes while providing reliable performance. High demand means limited stock. Click the link now to secure yours and instantly upgrade your home safety. Number 19. AUV1 Motion Night Light. Illuminate dark spaces automatically with this motion sensor night light. Perfect for kitchens, hallways, or bathrooms. It saves energy and enhances safety. With easy installation, a sleek design, and bright LED lighting, it is versatile and practical. Compact size fits anywhere while enhancing convenience in daily life. Limited stock is available. Click the link below to grab yours today and brighten your home effortlessly. Number 20. Perico Fridge Deodorizer. Eliminate odors and keep your fridge fresh with this compact deodorizer. Absorbs unpleasant smells, keeping food tasting fresh and preventing cross-contamination. Simple to place, long-lasting, and low maintenance, it's perfect for busy kitchens. Sleek, discreet design where it improves your food storage instantly. High demand means supplies are limited. Click the link below to secure yours today and enjoy a cleaner, fresher fridge effortlessly. That's a wrap on the top 20 unique kitchen gadgets you need to make your cooking easier, faster, and more fun. From smart storage solutions to time-saving tools, each item is a game changer. Don't miss out on these limited time deals. Click the links in the description now to grab yours and upgrade your kitchen today before they sell out.